4:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Langford to Wicomico to 8 miles southwest of Oxford to 7 miles east of Tennant River Naval Air Station to 7 miles southeast of St. Nicholas Creek, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies around 4:25 p.m. Cambridge around 4:30 p.m. Secretary and Beale Island around 4:45 p.m. Hurlick around 4:55 p.m. Federalsburg around 5 p.m. Princess Anne around 5:05 p.m. Westover around 5:02 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Wicomico, Madison, Brookview, Trinity, Eldorado, Kingston, Church Creek, Lloyds, Mount Vernon, and Lakewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415 or stick to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued on just 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Dorchester, and Wicomico. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for lower. Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, west central Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, western Salem County in southern New Jersey, west central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, south central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Thunderstorm to the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Dover, Newark, Middletown, Easton, Elkton, Centerville, Calvert, Pittsville, Smyrna, Carnegie Point, Seaford, Ellsbury, Newcastle, Chestertown, and Grove, Salem, Oxford, Benton, and Centerville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued on just 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland. New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 5:30 p.m. craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sea Breeze, Humanity Island, Slaughter Beach, Bowers Beach, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Shipyard Line, Bayamall Line, Crossledge Line, and Reedy Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high winds are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If currently open water, stay clothed and if possible, then keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. At 4 p.m. in Georgetown, it was the National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, Wicomico County in southeastern Maryland, western Worcester County in southeastern Maryland, northeastern Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until 6 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Smithfield to near Lasonia, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Westfield around 5:15 p.m. Princess and University of Maryland Eastern Shore around 5:20 p.m. Freeland and Salisbury University around 5:30 p.m. Salisbury around 5:35 p.m. Talbot and Parsonsburg around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Wicomico, Brookview, Trinity, Eldorado, Cockeysbury, Goodwill, Eaton, Kingston, Sheltown, and Long Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, central Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, southeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Canton County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Elam to Cecil to near Federalsburg, running east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and any-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Wilmington, Milan, Dover, Millville, Bridgeton, Gloucester City, Georgetown, Deptford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Pennsville, Belmore, Woodbury, Smyrna, Milford, Bigman, Clayton, Carnegie Point, and Seaford. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following counties in New Jersey: Camden, Carolina, Maryland. The severe thunderstorm warning for West. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Worcester County in southeastern Maryland until 5:45 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Newark, or 16 miles northeast of Buckwell City, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Berlin and Cape Island wide around 5:25 p.m. Ocean Plains around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Bishop, West Ocean City Municipality, Northtown, Eastville, Public Landing, Irachir, Cumberland, and Whaleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Gloucester, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Great Neck Inlet, New Jersey to Seven Island, Delaware, up 20 nautical miles until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northeast of Stony Point to St. Breeze near Bowers Beach to 14 nautical miles southwest of Flauner Beach to 19 nautical miles northeast of Plymouth, moving northeast at 55 miles. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoreline, 14th to Bag Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape Lopez, East Point, Bowers Beach, Cleveland Beach, Cape May Point, Chippewa Shoreline, Whitehall Line, Rain White Shoreline, Indian River Inlet Ridge, Wildwood, Over Falls Shoal, Fortest Beach, Sea Breeze, Bethany Beach, and Cross Ledge Line. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Salisbury Point to Winfield Point, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Terminal. Coastal waters from Seven Island, Delaware to Palamo Island, Virginia, out 40 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Palamo Island to the Virginia/North Carolina border, out 40 nautical miles until 7:15 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles northeast of Plymouth to near Cape Ridge, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Assawalle Bay, Ocean City Inlet, Chesapeake Light Tower, Anglo-African Wreck, Virginia Beach Ocean Front, Pasadena Beach, Houston Inlet, Whitney Inlet, Gulf Rambler Wreck, Great National and Chesapeake Bay. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can reduce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and treat locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National Weather Service forecasts for the beaches of New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Kent County and Central Delaware, Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, East Central Salem County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey, Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woodbury Heights to near Laurel Lake to near Big Stone Beach, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Camden, Salem, Millville, Ocean City, Gloucester City, Cape May, Cumberland, Cherry Hill, Atlanta, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Northeast, Bedford, West Bedford, Pleasantville, Glassboro, Liverpool, Taunton, Delmarva, and Somers Point. A tornado watch release in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside of sturdy structures such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cape May, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem. The following is the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Mammoth, Swan Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, up 20 nautical miles. Other waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, up 20 to 40 nautical miles until 7 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts were located along a line extending from near Cortez Beach to near 14-foot bank line to 6 nautical miles west of Cape Henlopen to 12 nautical miles northwest of Assalusa Bay to 14 nautical miles west of Ocean City, Inland, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, water spouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and treat locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Buoy 2FB, Brown Shoe Line, Buoy 4FB, Buoy 3FB, Cape Lopez, East Point, Lake Point Shoal Line, Ocean City Beach, Indian River Inlet Ridge, Overfalls Shoal, Salem, Brigantine, Bethany Beach, 14th Bank Line, Great Egg Inlet, Rehoboth Beach, Cape May Point, Wildwood, and Portage Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and treat locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Infected areas were Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Great from Mass, on inlet New Jersey to 7 miles, Delaware up 20 to 40 nautical miles until 8:15 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles northwest of Somerset to near Great Egg Reef to 8 nautical miles southeast of Roy 2 milliseconds, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small tail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds to suddenly higher waves. Locations of active include Seacourt Reef, Atlantic City, 5 fathoms buoy, Ruby 2SB, Buoy 4MB, Sheep Bottom, Deepwater Reef, Garden State Mountain Reef, Silverton, Axel Carlson Reef, Harvey Cedars, Great Egg Reef, Love Island, Barnum, Get Light, North Beach Haven, 28-mile wreck, Point Pleasant Beach, Eastside Park, Rickerton and Ocean Gate. Move to Safe Harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Tornado watch number 105 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following county: Cape May, New Jersey. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be in